Good morning, students. Let's begin our social science class. In continuation of NCRT Economics chapter Poverty as Challenge, today's content Poverty Estimates, Vulnerable Groups, Interstate Disparity, Global Poverty Scenario. Estimate of poverty in India. If we study the above poverty ratio and number of poor, then we came to the conclusion that there is a substantial decline in poverty ratio in India from about 45% in 1993 and 94 to 37.2% in 2004 and 5. If the trend continues, people below poverty line may come down to less than 20% in the next few years. The number of poor declined from 407 million in 2004 and 5 to 270 million in 2011 and 12, with an average annual decline of 2.2%. Now, next topic is vulnerable group. The proportion of people below poverty line is also not same for all social group and economic group in India. When we talk about the vulnerable social group, which are the most vulnerable to poverty, are scheduled caste and scheduled tribe household. So, social vulnerable groups, most vulnerable group are scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. Similarly, the economic vulnerable group, the most vulnerable group are the rural agricultural labor household and the urban casual labor household. So these are the two group which is socially and economically vulnerable. So after going through with this, we came on conclusion the social vulnerable group are scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, and economic vulnerable groups are rural agriculture labor household and the urban casual labor household. The following graph after this paragraph shows the percentage of poor people in all these group, although the average for people below poverty line for all group in India is 30.48 out of 100 people belonging to scheduled tribe in rural area are not able to meet their basic need. Similarly, 47% of casual workers in urban area below poverty line and about 50% of landless agriculture workers and 43% of scheduled caste are also poor. The double disadvantage of being a landless casual wage labor household in the socially disadvantaged social group of India. If we study the given graph, then name two social group that are highly vulnerable to the poverty, social vulnerable and economic vulnerable, and who are included in social or economic vulnerable. In social vulnerable, scheduled tribe and scheduled caste, and economic vulnerable, agricultural labor and casual labor, and the ratio already given over there according to 2011 and 12. The most vulnerable group in so, the social category, that is social tribe, percentage is 45.3, and in this economic group, agricultural labor, the percentage is 39.8. Now next topic is interstate disparity in poverty. The proportion of poor people is not the same in every state, and success rate of reducing poverty varies from state to state. State like Madhya Pradesh, Assam, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and Orissa had a high poverty level of India. So, if we see the average poverty declining trend according to the world, 20 almost 22%. All these states like Bihar, Odisha, Assam, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, these belts are very poor. The poverty ridden area or the level of the poverty is high, in which Bihar and Odisha continue to be the poorest state with poverty ratio of 33.7 and 32.6. But there are some states where poverty decline. Let's see. If we are going to see this uh, graph and going through the study of bar graph, then uh, identify the three states where the poverty ratio is highest. So start from Bihar, then Odisha, and then Assam. These are the poorest, and where the poverty shows is the lowest, where the people are less poor. So start from the Kerala, Himachal Pradesh, and Punjab. So this is how the uh, bar graph question answer consider important part of the topic. Now we are going through with the state showing highest decline in poverty comparison to previous year. If we going through today's scenario, the poverty ratio decline. These are Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, West Bengal, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu, Kerala. What is the reason behind of declining in these region poverty ratio? There are some example like in Punjab and Haryana, good agriculture growth. In West Bengal, land reforms. In Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, successful PDS system, public distribution system, means grain distribution. And Kerala, that the human resource development, they make their human resourceful through education. So altogether in Punjab, Haryana, high agriculture growth rate. Then in West Bengal, land reform. In Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, good public distribution system. And the Kerala, due to the focus on education and training. These are the reason the poverty ratio decline in this area. Next topic is global poverty scenario. Now we are going to study the poverty ratio throughout the world. Poverty declined substantially in China and South Asian country. For example, South Asian country, Japan, Indonesia, etc. As a result of rapid economic growth and massive investment in human resource development. These are the two things through which China and Southeast Asian country mm, come to the point of declining of ratio, poverty ratio. But when we see the countries of South Asia, India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, the decline has been rapid 34%. But there were some country where the rate is very high still, decline, but not like other country. For example, Sub-Sahara Africa poverty is in fact declined from 51% to 41% in 2015, but it is not up to the mark. Still, maximum people poor in Sub-Sahara Africa. In Latin America, like Mexico and South America, the ratio of poverty has also declined from 10% in 2005 to 4% in 2015. The new Sustainable Development Goals of United Nations proposes ending poverty of all types by 2030. Uh, China, East Asia and Pacific, Sub Sahara Africa, Latin America, and South Asia. If you see the percentage, like China shows with the blue color, it has the remarkable decline in poverty. And if we are going to see Sub Sahara, the poverty ratio is still high in comparison to other country. And if we are going to see Latin America, it also shows the wonderful result of declining poverty rate. South Asian country also good, but in comparison to China, it is still uh, require more effort to improve their uh, poverty declining ratio. If we study this thing, sub-Sahara countries where the number of poor, uh, those who are earning less than 1.90 per day, it's in million. So year 2015, if you notice, still maximum number of poor found in the sub-Sahara Africa, those who are not earning $1.90 per day. And if you see the the last category, China, where the result shows the very good record of the people involvement earning more than 1.90 or 1.90, means this is how the trend shows that China is the leading nation to prove they are declining in poverty ratio continuously. If we compare 8 countries, then Nigeria is the hardest hit because the number of people, maximum number of people, not able to earn dollar 1.90 per day. And we see the situation of India, its stand is still on third number, which we need to improve. Maybe in coming year we reach on um, 20%, but the other nations are doing well. Poverty is a situation in which a person is unable to get minimum basic necessities of life, food, clothing, and shelter for his or her subsistence. This was the beginning of our chapter with the definition. After going through with the all study, according to me, the major reason of the still uh, poverty prevail in India is the high growth rate of population. Question related to the topic: name the social and economic group which are the most vulnerable to poverty in India. Give an account of interstate disparity in poverty in India. Which is the main factor responsible for reduction of poverty in these states: Punjab, Haryana, Kerala, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, and Andhra Pradesh. Describe the global poverty scenario. Name any 4 countries which have high percentage of population living below poverty line, and name 2 states has the highest percentage of poor. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.